Good morning, folks. My name is Curtis Chandler, President of PFL. We hope that everyone had a great and enjoyable weekend. The Dow closed higher on Friday of last week, up 216.3 points and up 1,390.91 points week over week. The S&P 500 closed higher on Friday of last week, up 44 points and up 173.59 points week over week. NASDAQ closed higher on Friday of last week, up 113.23 points and up 545.13 points week over week. In overnight trading, Dow futures traded higher and are expected to open up this morning 38 points. Oil prices achieved its biggest weekly gain since August last week. WTI crude closed up 73 cents on Friday of last week to settle at $71.67 a barrel, up $5.41 a barrel week over week. JP Morgan predicts the end of COVID-19, a strong economy, and $125 oil. See PFL's Royal Report for further details. U.S. commercial crude inventories decreased by 200,000 barrels a week ending December 3rd, 2021. U.S. crude oil inventories are 7% below the 5-year average for this time of year. Total motor gasoline inventories increased by 3.9 million barrels week over week and are 5% below the 5-year average for this time of year. Distillate fuel inventories increased by 2.7 million barrels week over week and are 7% below the 5-year average for this time of year. Propane and propylene inventories increased by 600,000 barrels week over week and are 11% below the 5-year average for this time of year. Propane prices continue to fall in Mount Belvieu and are down 10 cents per gallon week over week. Oil is higher in overnight trading, and WTI is posted to open up 16 cents a barrel from Friday's close. Total North American rail volumes were down 6% year over year in ending week 48, resulting in quarter-to-date volumes that are down 5.2% and year-to-date volumes that are up 5.3%. 8 of 11 of AAR major traffic areas posted year-over-year decreases, with the largest declines coming from intermodal, which was down 10.8%. The largest increase came from non-metallic minerals, up 13.1%. North American rig count is up by 4 rigs week over week. The U.S. rig count was up by 7 rigs week over week and up by 238 rigs year over year. The U.S. currently has 576 active rigs. Canada's rig count was down by 3 rigs week over week and up by 66 rigs year over year, and Canada's overall rig count is 177 active rigs. Overall, year over year, we are up 304 rigs collectively. A few things that we are keeping an eye on or watching. The Trans Mountain crude pipeline and oil product pipeline in Western Canada restarted on Sunday, December 5th after a 3-week shutdown from record rainfall that triggered severe flooding and landslides in British Columbia, resulting in the longest closure in the pipeline's nearly 70-year history. The 330,000 barrel per day pipeline, which transports more than 300,000 barrels per day of crude and roughly 25,000 barrels per day of refined products, is again supplying oil to the Vancouver region and the refineries in the U.S. Pacific Northwest, Trans Mountain said. Trans Mountain is currently expanding its capacity to 890,000 barrels per day on schedule to be completed by December 31st, 2022. United States Steel Corp, Norfolk Southern, and Greenbar collaborated to make a new high-strength railcar. The company announced last week on Thursday. The steel gondola rail car are designed to be lighter weight and more suitable and extended life cycle and greater freight capacity. They used a formula for steel developed by U.S. Steel. Each gondola will have unloaded weight that is 15,000 pounds greater. See PFL's Rail Report for further details. The reading of PFL's Rail Report is a must. We go in more in detail on what we discussed today, summarize the latest petroleum by rail numbers, talk about refinery runs, overall import and export numbers, and dive into the U.S. latest employment situation. Bottom line, folks, a lot of great information, a lot of fancy graphs and pictures. We hope that you're enjoying PFL's Rail Report today. We do it all for you. PFL has been extremely active in all railcar storage, return on lease strategies, subleasing, mobile repair, and cleaning. Make sure you check out our just posted reports at pflpetroleum.com. In case you haven't heard, PFL has been expanding into its railcar services business with the purchase of 50% of First Flyer and Repair. We're really excited to serve our customers in a more meaningful way than we even do today. Thank you for your time, folks. Thank you for listening, and we hope that you have a great and fantastic week. And of course, give us a call anytime at 239-390-2885.